Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and your daily update, of course, on Fetch. And we'll do a full update, all right? So we'll talk about what's going on. We'll talk about what you need to know. Market circumstances right now are absolutely, ridiculous, I would not call them, but absolutely bearish, all right? There's absolutely no bidding right here. There's no massive buying up. Which is in general bearish, all right? Bitcoin is nearing a major support level. Fetch also is nearing a major support level. So those are some bullish things. And that's also what we will focus on in this video. Like, I do want to talk about some levels that I'm looking at for Fetch where I would want to buy a lot of Fetch. Because before we get into the analysis and before we talk about the technicals, I think fundamentally, Fetch still has a lot of potential. All right, if you talk about AI in relation to crypto, most of you already know my thoughts about this. But I think AI in relation to crypto is going to be much bigger than it is right now. Fetch is a great project. Fetch is also has been one of the best performers in that whole narrative. So that's why I think it will still perform well. Now, for now, though, it doesn't look amazing, all right? We had a massive breakout below 2.5 and 2.4, which was the main support of this consolidation up here. Now, I can hear some of you talking already. Well, we also broke down below that right here. Yes, but that was the weekend, all right? So in the weekend, you have a lot of fake outs. This was a fake out. I also do think that the NVIDIA conference is not very much a event that's going to push up the price. I think it's more of a sell the news effect. So fundamentally, that also causes a bit of bearish pressure, I would say, but especially this technical breakout just sends us down. All right. So right now you can see that we have multiple strong support. 2.15 is a strong support with the 382 FIB right here. Then afterwards, we can start talking about $2 and 1.9 as a strong support, which is arguably even stronger. It's the 0.618 FIB of this move up together with the 200 EMA and $2, which is a big psychological support level. And then afterwards, we can start talking about 1.5 and 1.6, but that's quite far, right? I don't necessarily expect a massive drop down to that level, even though you should be prepared for it, all right? Because the name of the game for Fetch at this point of time is that we are bearish. Fetch, on the short term at least, all right, you can always look back and say, well, we are still bullish. We're still up so much from here, which I agree with, all right? And I do think Fetch will return to this to these levels easily. But the thing is that for now, if you look at it, like if you look at the momentum that we are losing right now, this is a lot, all right? This is not bullish on the short term. The price action, also not bullish on the short term. It seems like whales are massively exiting their positions. So we are waiting for two things. We are waiting for Fetch to find a strong support, and we are waiting for Bitcoin to find a strong support. And for Bitcoin, I think the first level where we have some opportunity to get that is 62,000. And for Fetch, the first level to get that is, well, 2.15 technically, but I would say $2 and 1.9 is more likely. So what I expect on the short term is that we drop down to that level, and the main thing to watch for all of you is that once we hit a level like that, first of all, I do expect some support, but the only way we can actually get some strong bullish momentum from that and potentially get a move of up to 10-20%, something like that, is if the open interest goes up. So I will keep you updated on that, all right? I will keep making videos on Fetch, and I will keep making these daily updates, at least for now. However, that's just what you have to watch, right? It's a possibility. Like I said, I do expect some support from that level around $2. So something like this. If we do something like this, so we consolidate and the open interest goes up, then we can spike all the way up to 2.4 again. Now, do I necessarily expect Fetch to turn bullish? No. I think in the foreseeable future, it's much wiser to expect that the general direction will be down, all right? So that is what I expect, but I do think that there's possibilities for moves up. And in general, I'll keep you updated. If we don't get any open interest increase from this support level right here, then it's just a matter of time before it breaks. And if 1.9 breaks as a support, it's more likely we'll drop down to 1.6 and 1.5 slowly. All right, so that's what I expect for now. Like I said, in general, I do think that a scenario like this is most likely, but be careful. Market circumstances are not ideal. We'll get some quick bounces. We could turn bullish any second. I just don't think that we will break above 2.45 and 2.5 again. Like from these levels, we could also spike up there and then drop down. A lot of bull traps, so be careful, but in general, this is what to expect. All right, so thank you for watching. If you do have any questions, I think I already said that, but let me know. And for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.